Hello everybody, this is Abraham with North Shore Computer Services. What I got for you today is a puzzle. It's a Lenovo E540 computer, and the keyboard on it is bad. Something got spilled on it. Normally, you just pry the keyboard out, it slides in a little bit and you pull it out. This one, unlike Thinkpad normally, this Thinkpad, the keyboard has this thing on top that hides screws at the bottom. I've never seen this situation before. So for those that decide to replace the keyboard, you need to peel this top thing off first. And then there is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws that you need to take out. Thank you for watching.